Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add recipes to WordPress. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in WordPress, you might want to click on the Get Started button. And once you've done that, you will be directed to a new page wherein creating an account here in WordPress is very easy and straightforward. You can continue with their Google, Apple, GitHub, or you can log in via app, and once you click on the continue button, you're all set. Now, adding a recipes to WordPress website can be done in a lot of ways, depending on your preferences and the level of customization you may require. Now, the first method that we are going to explore is using a recipe plugin. Now, you need to go to the plugin section of WordPress, and from here you can choose a recipe plugin. You can simply search for Recipe Maker, click on that, and there's a lot of popular choices for you. Now all you're gonna do is choose the best one. That includes WP Recipe Maker, Blossom Recipe Maker, and a lot more. Now click on this one, and these are the 4 sections that you might want to read and understand in terms of the details, because this plugin is an easy tool for you that will allow anyone to add recipes to any post or page with automatic metadata for your recipes. And these are the reviews that can help you make an informed decision. And obviously, these are the minimum requirements for installation, plus the active community of contributors and developers. And once you've done that, all you're gonna do is click on download, right? Now we're going to the WordPress dashboard. And again, you need to go to the left side panel, click on add a new plugin. Now from here, what we need to do is the same process. Look for the recipe maker, hit enter, and what will happen is these are the popular choices for you to choose from, and we might want to try the W recipe maker again. Click on it, and as you can see, it's free to install and activate. It is an easy and user-friendly recipe plugin for everyone. Automatic metadata for food and how-to recipes will improve your SEO here. And again, these are the description, installation, changelog, and another FAQs. And all we're gonna do is click on install and activate. Just wait for a little bit, and once you've done that, you have the option to configure the plugin. You can click on the manage plugin if you wanted. And as you can see, the plugin is already added in the widget here. Now click on W Recipe Maker. When you click on it, you have all these options, right? Of course, we need to click on the start the onboarding process. And once you are here, you have all these sections for the recipes, recipe fields, your custom fields, features, okay, roundup lists, and obviously the analytics, which is very important for the SEO thing, changelog, and a lot more. All right, you have like 25 rows out here. You can customize all of these right here. We are going to have an in-depth tutorial about the creating recipes, but for now, that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.